How to save Snapchat picture to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save Snapchat photos to your gallery. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the settings section. From here, you simply need to scroll down and tap on the option labeled memories. And in the memories section, you can see the option labeled save button. So simply tap on it. And here you will see a few options where your snap will be saved. You can choose either memories or camera roll only, depending on your preferences. And now, whenever you take a snap, you can simply tap the save button and it will automatically be saved to your gallery based on your selected settings. And that's it. You are all set to keep your favorite Snapchat moments right in your phone gallery. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.